Well, hello. It is Jennifer Vazquez, aka JV the Coach, the Mindset Coach and Declutterer, and I am here to take you into a very short episode of what's been going on in my world, in the decluttering world. Take a look. Okay, so I want to take you into what I'm doing right now. I'm decluttering, but this is a tornado relief house. So I've been working on this house for 2 weeks now. Haven't gotten to this part yet, although we've gotten to some of it because we couldn't even walk in. So I'm just showing you what. Now everything you see cleared, I've decluttered already. It's been about 35 hours of decluttering. So everything was piled up to that. And come around here. Excuse me. So, see that? That basically was all of this. And there you have it. To be continued. Well, I hope you enjoyed that episode, that decluttering episode, a little peek into my decluttering projects, more to come. And if you enjoyed the music that you heard and are hearing, well, it's one of my tunes. It's the instrumental. It's called Rocked. You can get that song or listen to that song on Spotify or on Apple Music. It's Jennifer Vazquez, Rediscovering Me, and this song is called Rocked. And I would love for you to become a part of my tribe. So just go to Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and my handle is at JV the Coach. So there you have it, and I'll see you soon.